This is Kelsey interpreting Elephant in the Deaf Room. So here we are. There's been lots of talk about deaf people wanting to control hearing parents. And that whole idea is just a joke. I have yet to see that. What reason would we have to do that? I've noticed that if a deaf person does approach a hearing parent, it's just a sweet, simple discussion. They don't say what they're really feeling. And we need to stop bickering with each other and focus on A.G. Bell, who is really the metaphorical elephant in the deaf room. And in the deaf room, there's this giant elephant with all these deaf people who are different, old, young, short, tall, plus in each of the four corners, there are many hearing parents who are blind. And heedless to the idea that we're suffering, and all the deaf babies underneath the elephant are being trampled. And they're crying out. But the hearing parents in the corners, they're completely blind to what's going on. And they think, I just remember what A.G. Bell told me, that it's deaf people's fault for my child's suffering, and that I need to blame them. Out in the community, A.G. Bell is promoted for providing cochlear implants and funding. And there's deaf people who stay in this room and argue with one another, insisting they're independent, smart enough to do anything they can, and really that's a fantasy if they stay in this room with this giant elephant. So what do? First, we acknowledge one another. We cherish ASL. We preserve our deaf, and we cultivate our lives together. Then, we break down the walls. And we push that elephant out. And when those walls are down, that means that we can start building a bigger home for ourselves. And it will be the best that it can be. And we haven't done this yet because we don't know how. There's all this negativity and not enough cherishing of who we are. We need to stop ignoring the giant issue that is part of our lives. We need to focus on A.G. Bell and getting that giant elephant out of our lives.